Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to check call forwarding on Android. So if you want to check whether your Android phone calls is forwarded based on conditions or is forwarded to any contact, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this, you find this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to check call forwarding on your Android phone, all you need to do is go ahead and open the phone app, select keypad. Once selected keypad, dial asterisk pound 62 pound and click on the call button. Then you should see MMI code started. Now, then you should see your call forwarding status. Call forwarding when not reachable. So here are all my call forwarding status. That shows none of these call forwarding status active. So if I have any call forwarding status active here, that shows your incoming calls for that particular condition is forwarded. In that case, what you need to do to cancel the call forwarding is go ahead, type pound 002 pound and dial the number. Then you should see MMI code started. Then call forwarding, all erasure was successful. With this, all your call forwarding will be cancelled and then you're good. So that is basically how to check call forwarding status on Android. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.